Hello, we're back.
We are indeed.
And we've got some stuff.
A few bits. Basically, on today's episode, what we're going to do, guys, is with this fuel tank, we are going to take off the fuel pump and we're obviously going to take off the fuel cap from the old tank, get them installed on this one.
Can you call it a tank? There's not much of it left.
Yeah, no, it's just a crimpled mess. But hey-ho, I've just positioned this. This was, here, Ollie, would you like to do the honours of grabbing the other one?
Ooh, show you this one first. This is how bad this one was.
I said we could have straightened it.
And I said, you can't.
Skadoosh!
I thought you were going to hit the camera.
I did feel like that. After I did it, it was just a moment of madness.
Just Luke currently cutting something with my foot as support. Right, we're going to try and get this back on and try and remember how it went, because it's been a while. Now something a little bit more interesting, other than cleaning. We're leaving Cinderella over there. I think I can remember, but this could all go horribly wrong.
The most amazing thing about time-lapse is the fact that you can bang it on time-lapse and it's not real life. What takes us 9 hours is done in 12 seconds. That sounds like a dodgy porno in here. I've got two more of these to do.
I've eaten more of it than you sprayed on there.
That was actually unintentional.
Jesus, man.
Have you ever seen that? You ever seen that instrument when you go?
That's good.
In?
Yes.
Ollie likes to do things like FT.
When you go tight, then you go a little bit tighter.
Just a smidge. You crank them on until there's nothing left.
It won't come off again.
Okay, so after last-ditch efforts of basically trying to find different levers, turns out I didn't order any, so I'm going to have to order some levers. Where has the...
The annoying thing is, all the screws I took out are in that pot there, and I can't find the ones that fit that thread.
Yeah, but you know, bolts ain't safe in this here.
They probably ended up in something else, like somebody's track bike.
Gonna play that
Right, okay, while Ollie's outside, he's making a work phone call. Because he doesn't care about us and the fans. Basically, I'm going to take off the old pump from the old tank. I'm going to have to drain it with fuel. I'm going to bring you with me because, like, why not? Watch me get covered in shite. What are you doing out here, Ollie?
Work.
Here's one I found earlier. And a wild olive. Get out of here. Okay, so you know my motto. Bring out sockets, buzz it off. 1,000 Newton meters of torque. That is one of them. They can't all be as... It's really hard to do one-handed. Cyrus, away. Cyrus, away. So while I went to go and look for this fuel, all the way back over there. Ollie decided that after he brought it in and not told me, I just walked the whole length of the garden for no reason. Wait, stay there, Ollie. Look, let's just zoom in on how much of a mug you are. Look.
That
fuel doesn't look too bad.
It doesn't.
I'm happy to use that again.
Okay, I hadn't... Whoa. We've got no way to close this. Stop. We've got no way to close this once you put the fuel in there, because there is no cap. We can't put the cap on until we've done the thing we're going to do on the top. So we should probably do the thing that we're going to do on the top before we put the cap on, before we put the fuel in.
Wow, that scared the shite out of me, that thing over there. Who wants it? Huh?
She called you out. You're using that?
Yeah, well, I haven't got nothing soft.
That's a filler one.
I know. That works. The defeatist side of things. We have just had a bit of a mare with this bike, guys. We put on the fuel tank. We discovered other little bits and bobs that needed doing as they go in building bikes. The clocks are all over the place. Yeah. And now we're going to just see if she actually even starts. That's the God's honest truth. So we shall see.
Right. You on?
Fingers crossed.
Well,
Ready?
I've got my throttle.
Yeah. So,
moral of the story is, don't let Luke pick the bike that we're going to buy to make a thing of.
Is what it is. And don't worry, because it's going to be fixed on the next episode. And so don't worry about us, because I don't even know what I'm going to say. Listen, guys, this bike's still up for a raffle. So we are going to be selling tickets for £5 a ticket. I promise it will work.
We're not giving you £5 a ticket. You have to give us that money.
Yeah.
So we need to work a little bit harder to make this work.
Okay. Bye, guys.
See you in a bit.
Disheartened.